All right, here's example 317 on page 191. It's talking about a student, Felicity, attending Modesto Junior College in Modesto, California. And the probability that she enrolls in a math class is 20%, 0.2. And enrolling in a speech class is 0.65. Probability she enrolls in a math class given she takes speech is 0.25. So she's slightly more likely to enroll in a math class if she takes speech. And so M is math, S is speech, and M given S, or M given speech, math given speech. That's what that vertical bar means, given. What's the probability that Felicity enrolls in math and speech? So to find math and speech, we want to go to our formulas, and our formulas will tell us that this is the probability of math given speech multiplied by the probability of speech. So if we plug in those values, we just take all the probabilities given to us. Probability of speech is 0.65. Probability of math given speech is 0.25. So if we multiply 0.25 by 0.65, we get 0.1625. So about 16% of the time. What's the probability that Felicity enrolls in math or speech classes? So that's going to be a pretty big number because it's either math or speech. So to do that, we're going to take the probability of all the math courses. So this is an or situation. So it's probability of all the math courses and this or speech course. And then we subtract that middle part because we're double counting this middle area. If we think about those Venn diagrams, that middle region has all the double counting area. And so we subtract that because we don't want to count it twice. So the numbers would look like 0.2 for math, 0.65 for speech, and then the middle part, which we just found there, was 0.1625. And our final answer would be 0.6875. So about 68.75% of the time, they're taking a math or a speech class. Next is, are they independent? And we already kind of concluded that they're not independent. And that's because the probability of math given speech is 0.25, and the probability of math is 0.2. So they're not the same probabilities. So therefore, speech has some sort of an impact on taking the math course. Maybe people that take speech are more inclined to take a math course. And are they mutually exclusive, math and speech? No, because they can happen at the same time. There are 0.16, there's a 16% chance they take math and speech at the same time. So those are not mutually exclusive. Remember, mutually exclusive means they can't happen at the same time. And so this is no. And there we go. Thanks.